What it do, Corliss fans? It's your boy Corliss Shay coming at you on this hot Arkansas Saturday. And I want to plug y'all in with one of my recipes. Yes, I'm going to show y'all how to make your own wine at home. I know you're thinking, can I just go to the store and buy a cheap bottle? Nah, you can't, because eventually you won't be able to go to the store and get that cheap bottle. And why would you want that poor quality when you can make your own high octane? I'm going to show you how to do that. Not only that, I'm going to show you how to do it for less than $10. Yes, people. Hell, really less than $5. Let's go over our cost factors here. First, we have our container. Came from the Dollar Tree, $1, obviously. Your yeast, you can get any kind. This is fast rise yeast, you can get regular yeast. It doesn't matter the brand. Yeast, this was 90 cents for a 3-pack. Regular granulated sugar, I went and got the office of the off brand that I could find. Always save from Edwards. It was $1.58 for a 4-pound bag. And the flavor of the day, we're going to use a berry juice. We're going to make sure that it's 100% juice. We need that content. All right, so with no further ado, let's make it happen. Start by opening your container. We'll take the sugar here. And we'll add in 2 cups of sugar. I would usually measure it out. However, our container gives us the mark that we need to be at. All right. A little over, but it's all good. Regular sweet wine. Halfway done, people. Next, take your yeast. Take a little bit. Perfect. A little more than what we need, but more yeast, the faster it'll ferment. Next, open our juice and introduce it to the mixture. Then pour it up, close our container, and now we give it a good shake to ensure all those sugars are dissolved. It should take no more than maybe about 2 minutes. Dance with it. Yeah, you see it. Okay. Now, it's all shaken up. We want to take this and place this in a dark, warm place. Well, hell, it's warm everywhere. It's Arkansas, but just place this in a dark place where the temperature is constant. You're going to, well, once you get it, where you're going to sit it, twist that lid about a quarter turn, maybe about half turn, and just leave it alone. For 3 weeks, you're not going to touch it. You're not going to look at it. You're not going to care about it. For 3 weeks, people, you leave it alone. Then in 3 weeks after you come back and you check it, it should be dead as a doorknob. There won't be any bubbles, nothing happening. At that point, you're ready to get drunk.